Hey you guys, you'll never guess what's coming up on our next project tomorrow.
Hey you guys, so tomorrow I'm going to be uploading a video on, guess what, something totally new. We're going to be making chokers out of bead soup. What is bead soup? You probably already know, but that's like that mix of beads that you have that there's tons of them and you kind of just dump them in a bag and now you got to make a project out of them. So I figured I'd make some super cute little chokers for you to give away as gifts that you could use to make money. But I'm just going to show you some of the beads that we're going to be using. When I tell you I have a plethora, squillions, oodles, goo gobs of beads, I'm not exaggerating. Okay, so I look forward to this video tomorrow that we're going to be doing, and we're going to be making the super cutest chokers ever out of our bead soup. And I want you to put together your tools that you're going to need so you can do it with me. So I have my wires. You're going to need a pair of round nose pliers, some wire cutters. I just use wire cutters in place of scissors. You're going to need some thread of your choice. I'm going to be using monofilament fishing line because this is what I've always used for years to make jewelry out of. It's super strong. I've had this forever, but it's really thin and it's going to string easily through the beads. Or you can get you some beading wire from Michael's or Joann's if you already have it online. And then I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see the bead soup because it's too much of it for me to pick up.
So when I tell you I have tons and tons of beads, I mean, this is literally nothing. But look at all the beautiful beads that are here. I mean, I have some that are like semi-precious stones. Some that are just the super cutest little glass beads. I mean, look at those. So pretty. Look at these. Love them. I have so many. These are beautiful. I have jumbo beads, regular size beads. These are like some ivory beads I had that someone gave me years ago. I've made earrings out of those in the past. I love these beautiful glass beads. They're like dragon fruit. So we're just going to be making a whole bunch of super cute chokers. What else is in here? Just all kinds of stuff. What do you see? Do you have like a little bead collection of just tons of stuff that you have that you can make jewelry out of? I mean, at any point I could do, at any point I have so many beads and so much stuff that I could make. Any type of earrings, any type of bracelets. I mean, you name it, we could make something out of it, right? Just so many beautiful colors. One day I will do a tour, ooh, beads are getting everywhere, of my bead collections and just everything that I have. It's so much stuff. At one point I thought about selling it all and giving it all away, and I was like, I'm not doing that. It would take me forever to just build up the collection of really beautiful things that we have. Look at this chunky, yummy looking bead. So I'm not sure yet what colors I'm going for, but I'm kind of leaning towards like the really beautiful burnt orange terracotta color. But I really am excited about making the chokers. I want you to join me. So gather your stuff tonight so we can do it together. Go ahead and just dump it out on the plate. Look at those sweet hearts. And these are like ivory feathers. These are glass beads with like a hole that goes sideways. What else do I have? Those are beautiful. Just tons of stuff. Oh my gosh. I think at some point this must have been a bag that I had put together that I was going to sell on eBay. Look at these green ones. Those are really pretty. And I did sell several bags. I think I sold a bag of stones to someone in Australia. I mean, I think that's like the furthest I've sold things to when I had an eBay store, which I don't now. I don't focus on that anymore. But we're going to make some incredible chokers. You're going to need your jump rings also, and you're going to need your crimp beads, and you're going to need some lobster claw clasps.